Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuse to check in case you have problems with the OBD-II port, the diagnostic port. So it's located just here under the steering wheel, this white port, and if you connect your scanner and nothing happens, you're not getting any data, you want to check the fuse first, which is in the main fuse box under the front hood. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 or possibly newer, so after the facelift. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to access the fuse, first you want to remove this cover on top of the fuse box. There's like a black tab here. You want to press it, lift up, and then gently move this cover out. There's lots of stuff on our way, so be careful. Okay, and here are all of the fuses. And the OBD-II port fuse will be this 10 amp red fuse located here in this middle row, the last one. So try to somehow squeeze my hand in there. Okay, you see this last one, 10 amp fuse. This is your OBD-II port fuse. And if the fuse is good, then you want to check the wiring towards the port, electrical connections and things like that, but usually this fuse is the problem. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there's lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.